Hi guys, Heidi here from Chilling with H. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. If you keep returning, hey, thanks so much. I really appreciate the support. So I'm making curried corn today. Is it curried corn or corn curry? Well, depends where you're from, right? I'm from Trinidad and we say curried corn or curry corn with mushrooms, and I'm making it in coconut milk. Yes, yum yum. So my nephew, he's a huge fan of my curry corn, so I decided I should share this recipe with you guys. So if you want to see how I do this, let's get to the kitchen. Before we head to the kitchen, I want to grab some fresh bandhania and a couple cherry peppers to prepare this lovely dish. As always, fresh seasonings are best. They really flavor up the food. Gather the ingredients listed in the description box below before we begin. Clean the corn by removing as much of the silk or tassels, or as Trinis would say, the hair from the corn. Give it a rinse and drain. Cut up about 1-inch size pieces like I'm doing here. Blend together the bandhania or culantro leaves, garlic, and 2 of the cherry peppers. Cut up the pimento and add it to the corn. Cut 1 cherry pepper in half and sliver the onion. Add in the blended seasonings, corn kernels, and mushrooms to the mixing bowl. Give it a stir and let it marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the corn and mushrooms soak in the seasonings. Heat a pot and add the oil. When the oil is hot, add in the onions and sliced cherry pepper and saute until golden brown. A few drops of water can cause splatters, so be careful. Try to keep the heat about medium. Now add in the curry powder and stir for a few seconds until it changes color. Add a little bit of the seasoning liquid to the curry. This is what is referred to as chonkain. So we're chonkain the corn. It's a Bhojpuri word our great-grandparents used when they came from India. Gently add in the seasoned corn and mushrooms and stir well to coat with the curry. Cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is called bhuje. It's another Bhojpuri word used by our ancestors. So we're bhujing the corn and mushrooms at this point. Remove the lid and stir. As Trinis don't like to waste the seasonings that get left back in the mixing bowl, so here's a tip. Add some water in there and give it a gentle swirl to pick up the seasonings and then pour into the pot. Do the same if you have extra seasonings stuck in the blender jar. Add enough water to barely cover the corn. Add the coconut milk and enough salt to taste. Stir, cover, and bring to boil. Remove the lid and let it cook until the sauce is reduced to about half and it thickens up. By then, the corn is cooked also. The sauce is needed to eat with your rice, so don't let it reduce more than half, okay? When it's ready, turn off the flame and serve with your favorite rice. If you decide to eat with your fingers, let the food cool down somewhat. I'm using basmati rice, and I well sane it with my fingers. Sane is another Bhojpuri word which means to mix. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today. I hope that you guys really enjoyed the curry corn recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and make sure you share the video with your friends. I'm sure they will enjoy it as well. Curried corn with mushrooms and coconut milk. Yummy. And of course I served it on basmati rice and we ate with our fingers. The best tools ever, the best cutlery ever. So try it with your fingers and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Savor the curry. I love it. And I know my nephew definitely enjoyed it as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.